Stop. Don't trade today until you see this. ABD001 is here. Let's see what the market has for us. Let me break down the market and see what it has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know what we do in this platform. In this platform, we check our daily analysis and let's see the opportunity the market has for us. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate to those of you that my video just pump up into your screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video. Before we move into the chart, let's see what what the fundamental analysis asks for. Maybe there is what high impact news on USA. Sorry for that. This is the USA. Let's see what the news asks for us. This is the last day of the week, and this is USA. There's the back holiday of USA. It's all day of USA. Sorry for that. So there is no impact news. Market is going to slow today. So let's see what let the chart asks for us. Let's see what the big, let's see what, let's see what the big asks for. Let's see what the chart asks for us. This is the trend, and we started from what? We started from daily time frame, which is sliver. Let's see sliver. This is sliver. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is the demand. We are expecting the market to come. You can see this is the demand. We are expecting the market to come, so we are not using this coordinate anymore. This coordinate is mobile, so we are not using it anymore. Since we have seen our swing and swing low, you can see the market is in between, and the market is giving us downtrend. This is a downtrend market. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see where we can see the opportunity. This is 4 hour time frame. After market, this is 4 hour time frame. This is the recent trend. After market give us resistance, this is the last break of structure. This is demand zone. After the demand zone broken, it turned to what? Breaker block, in which market has mitigated this breaker block, and we have seen liquidity swept. Definitely, what we just need to now is just a downtrend. Let's see where we can see the opportunity to take the downtrend. As for me, after the liquidity market. This is the what? This market structure shift. You can see the market structure shift. After the market structure shift, we see a sell. We see a sell, but now where is the next sell? This is the next sell. This is where we are taking our sell. You have seen where the opportunity is. This is where we are taking our sell because there's key level also here. There's key level also here. Let's move to far as you can see. This is the last break of structure. And market trade this liquidity, mitigate this breaker block, and give us downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to continue the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. This is the last opportunity I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame. This is the other block. So this is the opportunity market is giving us now. So this is the other block on 1 hour time frame. So let's just move to 15-minute time frame to join the trend. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what the market is giving us. So definitely the market has broken this with its full body candle. Definitely this has turned towards breaker block. Because market gave us what? A break of structure. This is the break of structure. And this is the other block that's turned towards breaker block. So definitely let's be expecting a retracement. So this is a what downtrend market. This is a downtrend market. So this is the downtrend market. Let's see 15-minute time frame. Let's see where the market is on 15-minute time frame today. So let's be expecting the market down. We are expecting the market to enter this zone. So we are just be expecting a downtrend on 15-minute time frame. This is what the market is giving us. This is the what? This is the this is the um this is the higher time frame what? Higher time frame lower low. So we are taking our TP as higher time frame lower low. Let's just place this trade. Let's see. Let's place this trade. Let's bring out the coordinates out. Let me write out the coordinates. We said the market is coming to this breaker block, but we are expecting the market to mitigate this 1 hour FEG before we can sell. We are selling the market, but the market has shown this liquidity. Definitely, the sell is still valid. This is our recent sell now on 15-minute time frame to join this smaller time frame. This is our recent trend. So let's write out the coordinates as these are our coordinates. You guys place your sell limit. This is our entry. So we are selling. This is our take profit. This is our stop trade. So I used to say we are the one that is stopping the trade. So that is why I call it stop trade because we are the one that said this. This is where this is the certain amount I have to lose in the capi in the trading platform. That's why we are calling it what stop trade because we are the one that plays it. It's not the market that plays it. So so that is why. So it's not stop loss. It was stop trade. And you can see our entry 64.7149, our take profit 61.53, and when our stop trade is what 65.00. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing. So let's be patient and what see. No, our stop loss will be above this. Sorry, no, sorry. Our stop loss will be above that. Sorry. Our stop trade, sorry, stop trade will be above that. You see, our stop trade will be above that 65.399. Yeah, this is the perfect because market may do anyhow, but this is the perfect place to what to take the entry to. So this is where we are selling the market. That is why we are selling the market because higher time frame you can see what the daily time frame is giving us. Is giving us the set. Is giving us this. This is the demand that the market is coming. Why 4 hours what? This what the mark 4 hours to is telling us. This after market mitigated, yes. So definitely we are expecting the sell. What is 1 hour? 1 hour mitigated this or with this key level over here. After 1 hour mitigated, we go to 15-minute time frame to see where the opportunity so that we can trade the market. This is last break of structure. Markets broken it on to change of character. And we can see with full body candle go to change of character. So this is where we are expecting the market to mitigate to continue the sell from here and what our our stop trade will be what be our fear. So this is what I'm seeing in the market. Let's be expecting the sell. Let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us. As usual from daily time frame, this is our swing guy here. and this is our swing low here, and this is our demand. We are expecting the market to come to this what demand. That's why we can say we want to buy another, we want to buy. But as for now, what market is giving us the buy for the vibes of what or sell. So we got sell the market. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure. After market mitigates here, it shaped this liquidity for us. So that is why I said the market what trend as what the trend has changed. After the market showed this liquidity, market give us market structure shift. After the market structure is giving us the fibers of downtrend. But as for now, what the market is doing, we gas what? We gas continue this downtrend. We did not see opportunity on 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see, but we know that the market is going downtrend. This is what the market is doing. This is a key level. Let's see another block. Market mitigated was this FEG. You can see this is where the market is mitigated. So let's move to 50-minute time frame to continue the downtrend. This is 50-minute time frame. You can see what the market is giving us on 50-minute time frame. As for me, and this is what this is the last break of structure, and this is what this is change of character. And you can see we are having FEG here. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG before we can see what's downtrend again. Now our stop loss will be what? Will be above this. So this is, as for me, this is what I'm seeing, and we are taking our take profit inside this key level. You can see inside this higher time frame key level. So this is what I'm seeing on this opportunity. This is what the good. This is what the good has for us also. Let's see if we can write the coordinates out. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go and copy the coordinates form. Let me go and copy the coordinates from what? From this copy. So let's move back to good. From daily time frame, from 15-minute time frame, this is the opportunity we are seeing. We are still selling the market too. So we are still selling the market. So let's see. This is our entry. That is our entry. Okay. Let's see our take profits. This is our stop trade. We are stopping the trade. So this is it. This is our coordinate now. So let's place it here. Let's place it near here so that you can see it. No matter what, market is coming back here and continuing that trend. Seriously, this is what we are having. This is what we are having. We are still in the sell on good. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is US 30. US 32 is what? US 32 is giving us the type of what of sell. No matter what, we are still selling the market. This is the last break of structure US 30 gave us on what? On daily time frame. This is the last break of structure US 30 give us. So we are having a demand here. We are having a demand here because that demand, this demand broken what? Broken the It broke the higher high. It gave us another higher high. It gave us another higher high. Definitely what the set. It was already the buyer are still are still strong enough. In the buyer still has momentum in the market. So let's see this retracement. Let's see what this retracement is doing for us. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing. You can see what the market is doing for us. So this is what the market is doing. Let's continue. Let's see where we can continue this sell. After market broke on this with full body candle, because on 4 hour time frame we have what? We have break of structure here. This is 4 hour time frame break of structure. We have change of character here. This is the change of character, internal change of character. Why we have FEG here. This is what we are having. We have FEG. So definitely let's continue this. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where we can set the market on 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. You can see this is the vibe of the market. Market is in what? Market is giving us downtrend vibes. So we gotta be patient. And you can see the internal. This is break of structure. This is break of structure, and this is break of structure. So this is the FEG. Market has not closed. So we gotta be patient. So we are still expecting the market to come this to this demand. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see market does not give us opportunity yet. So let's move to 15 minutes time frame to continue the trend. This is 15 minutes time frame. This is what the market is giving us. This is what the market is giving us. There is what there's FEG here. So let's be focused here. You know that we said this is opportunity. This is where the market is on 1 hour time frame. This is the opportunity market gave us on 1 hour time frame. This is the other block. And this is what internal break of structure. So we are seeing what we are seeing in downtrend. After the market gave us this internal break of structure, we move to 15-minute time frame to see where we can see the opportunity. This is 15-minute time frame. If but I usually use 15-minute time frame nowadays. I'm not using sorry for that. I'm not using 55 minutes. I'm using 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, only just what we done is the FEG, where we can see FEG. This is where we can see FEG. You can see the FEG. So there's FEG here. So in which means there's opportunity for us here. So this is what we are having. And our take profit will be here. This is our take profit here will be here. This is what we are having. This is what we have. This is our take profit will be this on this key level. This is the key level. You can see the market is key level here. So this key level is our take profit. So let's just be patient. If you can see the if you can join the buy on 15 minutes. So let's write down the coordinates out. So missing trade is better than losing trade. The only just what you just need just to be patient. Be patient. Market with why if the market does not respect your opportunity, definitely next time if you find this opportunity, if you see the opportunity, we try it. Only just what we are just know if we know our liquidity, that is it. We are trading with the big boys in the market. Only that is what is going to happen because liquidity is what liquidity is only just what we just need to know. Our take profit I've said it several times that the reason why I'm putting stop trade at the front is to know that is to remind you that you guys place that first trade first. You understand? Because some people we place what we place their what their entry and stop trade and stop and take profit. They forget they will leave stop trade alone, and that is not proper for us. So that is not proper for us. That's why you can see our entry 51542, our 5080 and one that is actually correct. So let's put it here. I think on gold we have not changed this here with this is a limit. Let's move to UJ. This is UJ. This is what is happening on UJ. You can see the swing high. Where you can see the swing low. This is the demand. This is the swing low. But there is a monthly key level here. So this may serve as liquidity, or this may serve as liquidity also. We don't know which one is going to serve as liquidity. This may serve as liquidity, or this both may serve as both. There's demand here and there is FEG here. That is what is happening. This is a demand zone and this is FEG here. So we don't know the one which the market, the buyer is going to expect, but I'm expecting the market to come to this FEG because what the buyers are still waiting here to feed this FEG before we can see an uptrend. So this is what the market is giving us. I'm still buying. The reason why market is retracing is because there's a key level here. You can see the key level here. There's key level here. This key level is a liquidity. As for me, is a liquidity. What just need now is just to find the opportunity. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame and on day time frame, and this is supply zone. Let's move to 4 hour time frame to find the recent opportunity. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of this is the previous break of structure, and this is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure that is giving us demand. This is a demand zone here on daily time frame. This is a demand zone here. So let's just move to 55-hour time frame to see what the recent demand is doing on 1 hour time frame. This is on 1 hour time frame. I'm having opportunity here. This is other block here. This is break of structure here. And this is a liquidity shares market just to give us. As for me, I'm not buying, but as for 4 hours giving, this is trying to give us this is 4 hour time frame. Sorry, I think there's issue. I have technical issue. Let me check. Maybe my sub still remain. So welcome back. I have technical issue on my hand on my network. The network is bad. So let's continue. Let's continue. So this is what we are. So this is what on 1 hour. This is what 1 hour is giving us. This is what 1 hour is giving us. So we guys be patient. But on 4 hours, 4 hours is giving us the five of. Hey, sorry, this is a mistake. On 4 hours, this is what 4 hours is giving us. We still have FEG here. You can see we still have FEG here. This is the demand zone. We still have FEG here. This may serve as liquidity on 4 hour time frame. See, this may serve as liquidity on 4 hour time frame, but let's just be patient because buyer are still in control. So seller are still in control. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is all what I can see. This is a liquidity trade market structure sheet. All what I can see is a downtrend market. Seriously, all what I can see is a downtrend market. because this is a liquidity shift and this is market structure shift, and we are, as for me, I'm expecting another trend. The downtrend what is valid. So let's move to 4 hour. Let's go and see the next key level on 4 hour time frame. Inside this key level again, that's where we are buying. You can see on 4 hour time frame, you can see how this buyer you can see how the buyer and the seller are fighting in between in between. So we guys be patient. You can see we guys what? We guys be patient. So let's see if the seller are the winners, or the buyer, or the market is going to expect this 4 hour demand, or the buyer will enter for this 4 hour demand, sweep this liquidity over here. So let's see what the market asking for us, but our take profit will be here. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU asks for us. From daily time frame on EU, you can see market has touched this place. This is our swing low. This is our swing high. This is for me. This serve as support for me because this is our first key level. This is the supply that give us break of structure. Is the supply that give us break of structure. This is liquidity swept, and I've said this market is there's what liquidity here, so I expected the market to come back to this here. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. On daily time frame, this is what we are having on daily time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. We move to 4 hour time frame. This is what the 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is not serving as what? This is not break of structure. This is not break of structure. This is serve as inducement. Because the break of structure is inside this last break of structure. So this serve as inducement. So if market reach here, we will now know maybe it's the seller what are still in control, or the buyer. If buyer broken it, definitely the buyer is in control. So if sellers try to push it down, definitely let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this server was break of structure, but we use what? We use higher time frame to, because this what 4 hour the daily time frame is giving us. Daily time frame is giving us this is the break of structure. So this server was a this because we still have FEG here. You can see the FEG. So on 1 hour time frame, this may serve as what? More opportunity, but as for me, it's not opportunity. But I'm having what? I'm having break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. You can see the break of this may serve as liquidity, and this may serve what as opportunity. This opportunity. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure. You can see what the market is giving us on 15-minute time frame. So let's see if the market is going to on 15-minute time frame. If we redefine the 1 hour time frame, this is what the 1 hour time frame is giving us. 15-minute time frame is giving us, and this is the last break of structure. But if you see the 15-minute time frame very well, you can see this may serve as liquidity because there's FEG here. So this may serve as FEG here. So definitely the sell is still fine. You can just join the market now. So if you want to join the market, just join the market. But know that we are still buying inside this zone again. We still sell market inside that zone again and our TPV here. So let me go back to GU. I've forgotten to write the coordinates out. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot to write the coordinate. I'm sorry. 15-minute time frame. So I'm still selling the market. These are our entry price. These are take profit, and these are our stop trade. So this is it. So let's just confirm if we are right. Our entry is not right. Our stop trade is right. Our take profit is right, while our entry is not right. Because so this is it. We are selling the market. So let me place the coordinates here so that it will be easy. Yeah, and you can see the market has started selling itself. So let's move. Let's go back to US EU. You can see the EU. List. Okay. Our entry. Our take profit. And while our stop trade. So this is what the market is giving us. Where should I put it? Let me put it here. You can just join the market now. So the market is still what? It's still valid. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ are. UJ is a big is a what? It's an uptrend. Seriously, the market is an uptrend. So this is what the market is giving us now. So you can see the next demand here because the market has broken what has given us break of structure for daily time frame. So this means services have as liquidity, but we don't know what the market is going to do next. But this is where we are buying market to get, especially this FEG. So all what this is demand for me. This is demand for me. And you can see there is opportunity here because we have FEG over here. FEG. And in this year here we are having monthly key level, we are having weekly key level here. So this is what I'm having. This is the last break of structure market. Actually, USDJPY has given us another what new higher high on daily time frame. You can see it has given us another higher high on daily. But this is the last higher high, and market has given us. Market is in this monthly key level. So let's see what the market is doing. This is what we are doing. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see what the market is giving us. It's giving us the vibe of uptrend. So definitely we know that market is in uptrend. This is what the market is giving us. This is the you can see the break of structure. So this is 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hour time frame is giving me, but this 4 hour time frame is not giving me the structure I want. I will not lie, it's not giving me the first structure I want. Let's move to 1 hour time frame because the market is in uptrend, but we are having a FEG, we are expecting the market to come here. So this in this we have internal break of structure. And if you can see in this internal break of structure, what expected this is, and we have what manual break of manual demand here. This is manual demand is not a major demand for me because we have it in internal structure. It's not what it's not major structure. This is an internal structure. So on 1 hour time frame, this is what the market is giving us. This is what the market is giving us. Let's see if the market is going to come out. But let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can see the nearest opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. And on 1 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure market gave us. And what we are having now is what we have market has already mitigated it. We have other block here. Market has already mitigated it. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. If you can see opportunity of 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is all what we are having on 15-minute time frame. After market mitigated it, as for me, the market is in uptrend because this is the last break of structure. So let's see where we can buy the market. We can see FEG. There's no FEG. There's no FEG here. This is where the FEG is, and you can see the market has mitigated here. So let's be patient here if the market can sell it back from here. Sell it back here. We guys be patient. We are still selling the market and our stop loss will be a bit below here because on 1 hour time frame market has already mitigated it. Market has already mitigated it. What we just need is just for the market to what to enter it and what continue the uptrend. This is what I can see on you. This is what I can see on UJ. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU has happened. GU, so is this is what GU is giving us. I think this is yesterday's trade, Abby. So let's just from daily time frame on GU also. This is what GU is giving me. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. But this is demand. You can see the DG is coming back to this demand to trade this liquidity. But let's see what GU is showing. Well, for our time frame, this is what we are having on GU. After the change of character, markets give us break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. This is a valid break of structure, and this serve as inducement for me. Inducement. It serve as inducement for me. And you can see what the market is doing. Market mitigated this supply that give us change of character, and again, this just what this just downtrend. You can see what the market is giving us. So as for me, let's find the nearest FEG. So this is the what this is the nearest supply now. As for me, this is the nearest supply now. So this is the nearest supply now on 4 hour time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is given. This is 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is not a liquidity. This is a liquidity sweat as for me. This week candles have as liquidity, but it's not a liquidity. But this is what we guys be patient. This is you can see in the African break of structure here. This is not this is another block, but this other block is not what it's not the what. Let's be expecting a sell from here again. If the market want to sell, if market probably trying to come up back, we are selling from here. Let's use Fibonacci retracement of our time frame. This is Fibonacci retracement. This is all what we are having. You can see all what we are having. So let's see if the market can retrace. You can see from here. Let's see if you can see this Fibonacci retracement here after broken restructure. So markets come to this what to this premium zone. So let's be expecting the market should come to this premium zone before we can see a downtrend. Or this market cannot go from this distance. So this is a liquidity. Market may serve this liquidity before continuing the downtrend. As for me, market may serve this liquidity before continuing the downtrend. So all what we just need is patience. That is it. All what you do. This is what this is a liquidity. It's inducement is a liquidity. So market this is what market cannot retrace it inside discount. This is a discount zone. So market cannot retrace it inside discount. So we cannot sell inside discount again. And this is a liquidity market may show this liquidity because it is what inducement and mitigate this FEG before we can see a sell. Market may say expect this FEG because what there is key level there. There is monthly key level over it, and there is what weekly key level over it. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. If we can see the FEG, you can see if the market cannot come back to this supply zone. So market may expect this 1 hour FEG. You can see on 1 hour time frame, this serves as what liquidity. So this FEG is valid for us. And there's monthly key level inside this FEG. So let's see what this FEG is trying to do for us. We can set the market from here. So I'm still expecting sell from here. So let's see if we can see buy up. Let's go to 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. You can see what future time frame is telling you, all this serve as liquidity swell, but let's be expecting the market can come to this 1 hour FEG to uptrend. So I also forgot also on this coordinates. So let's be expecting by inside this FEG. See, we have FEG here. We have FEG here. So let's be expecting buy from here. This is what I'm seeing. So let me write the coordinates out. Let's see if we had coordinates out on the you not write it on. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. You just know that I'm just trying. I'm just trying to be consistent with this coordinate because I don't used to write it out before. So let's see what the coordinate has for us. So patience is the key to success in this trading. Trading is a like is like life journey. So we are buying. So we are buying the market here, and this is what we are having. This is our entry. What our take profit. Why our stop trade. So this is the opportunity I'm seeing on the market today. So I won't be able I won't be able to analyze bit crypto because I'm going to mosque. So let's just sit there seriously. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's move to you. Let's move to the GJ. Let's see what GJ has for us also. This is GJ. Okay. So this is what I have on GJ. There's no news today, so the market is going to what? It's going to slow now. So let's see if we have opportunity on this remaining time zone, on this remaining time that's remain for us to take the opportunity. This is the opportunity I'm seeing. So let's just be patient and see what the market has for us. We are buying on GU, we are buying on UJ, on the GJ, We are buying on UJ also, while we are selling on the EU. We are selling on what? On GU also. While we are selling on what? On US 30, we are also selling on what? On gold. While we are also selling on what? On stable. So these are the opportunity I'm seeing today. So peace and love. So this is what I'm saying. Let us be. We are going to successful. So if you want more of this video, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next opportunity we are dropping still next week. Have a profitable days ahead, and we are going to succeed in this trading journey and in other skills. We are doing peace and love. Have a peaceful and have a happy weekend. Enjoy your profits if you make profit. So and stay what stay back testing on your mistake. So for those of you for all that take loss this week, enjoy your loss and what and stay positive and what stay positive and what continue your consistency and continue your backtesting. Thanks. Have a successful day. Peace and love.